What constitutes valid acceptance in contract law? Imagine you're about to buy a new phone online. You see an offer and you click the accept button. But what makes that acceptance legally binding? That's what we're here to find out. In contract law, valid acceptance is when someone agrees to all the terms of an offer clearly and without changing anything. If even one part is different, it's usually considered a new offer, not acceptance. This is called the mirror image rule. It keeps both sides on the same page about what they agree to. Acceptance must be communicated to the person who made the offer. If the offer says accept by email, then sending an email counts. If it says accept in person, then a handshake or spoken agreement works. If no method is specified, a reasonable way, like a phone call or written letter, is enough. Only the person who received the offer can accept it. If someone else tries to accept, it doesn't count. The acceptance must come from the offeree, the person the offer was made to. The person accepting must genuinely want to be bound by the offer. They need to understand what they are agreeing to and do so without pressure or mistake. If someone accepts out of confusion or under duress, it might not be valid. Timing is also important. Acceptance should happen within the time frame stated in the offer. If no time is given, it should be done within a reasonable period. If acceptance comes too late, after the offer has been revoked or expired, it's not valid. Both parties must have the legal ability to make a contract. This means they are of legal age and mentally capable. The contract subject must also be legal. You can't agree to do something illegal and call it a valid contract. Finally, acceptance must be part of an exchange of something of value. This is called consideration. For example, paying money or giving a service in return for the product or service. Without consideration, the agreement might not be enforceable. In real business situations, these rules help make sure everyone is clear about what they're agreeing to. If a business responds exactly as the offer states and does so on time, a contract is formed. If they change terms or delay, it can cause disputes. That's why understanding what makes acceptance valid is so important. To sum up, valid acceptance is a clear, unconditional, and timely agreement to all the terms of a lawful offer. It must be communicated properly, made by the right person, and show the intention to be legally bound. When these pieces come together, a legally enforceable contract is created.